How to redeem NordStrom gift card. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to redeem your NordStrom gift card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the NordStrom website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on the website and I'm logged in with my account. And right here, I can just purchase something I want. So for example, I can just choose this one, and after that I will choose a size, for example, or color. And after I choose this one, I can now add this to my cart or bag. So after I add it in my bag, I can now go directly to the checkout. So I can just click checkout and it will redirect me to the payment section. So right here on the payment section, I will now have to input my email address, my names, and my address details. And yeah, that's it. So I can also choose what delivery method I want. And after I choose that, I can go to payment. So now, how to redeem your gift card. So this is how you're going to do it. So right here on the right side, you will see a promo code button. So just click that, and after you click that, you can just now enter your gift card code and apply it so that you can have a discount, for example. And yeah, that's it. And after you redeem your gift card, you can now go directly to the payment and purchase the product. And yeah, that's it. That's how you redeem your Nordstrom gift card. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.